Annyeong everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ju. If you never met, please do subscribe right now if you like cars like me. 감사합니다. Today I am gonna bring the 3008 to Cavite. Cavite NAIC. Let's see how it will perform in the off-roady road before we actually reach the place. This is the NAIC cockpit of the Peugeot 3008. As you can see, this is not an ordinary car. Look at that. Everything is facing you, and look at the steering wheel, the paddle shifters. This is amazing car, you know. And the buttons, hear the sound? It is something that works. And take a look here. Have you seen a car with lights here in the panoramic sunroof? Well, now you know. Oh no, and there's a mosquito there. How will I kill it? The car looks so good, especially with that sequential turn signal. This is a gem, guys. Very avant-garde, and we're gonna put some dirt on it. Just take a look, guys, in a few seconds. Beautiful Viper. Well, it's a claw. Or I mean a fang. Okay, here we go, guys. We are taking the Cavitex and we are going to a very undisclosed location, and we're gonna see if the lion can make it in its natural habitat. Roar! We are in NAIC after driving for 1 hour. Any minute now, we will reach the unpaved road. Hi! Hi! Here we go, guys. The unpaved road. And we're just gonna switch it to sand mode, mud mode, maybe sand mode. Okay, let's go. As you know, there are sensors all around this vehicle, and we are negotiating this off-road. It's not really an off-road because it didn't rain. Oh my goodness! How we turn off this? Okay, here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yun, we turned off. Yeah. Ah! Uy, turn off! It won't turn off. Here we go, guys. So it's not so off-roady pala. Let's go fast. Hey, let's go slow. Let's negotiate this. These are the things I don't like. It will scratch the car. Scratching the car. Hairline scratches. You see, the 3008 can do this. It has enough ground clearance. Ayun. Okay, later na siguro. Oh. Go slowly. We don't want to damage the beautiful car. This is a beautiful car after all. See? We can do it. Amazing. See, we're in the natural habitat. Wow, the sounds are coming from the satellite speakers on the left and the right A-pillars. Yay, we are okay. And we're almost out. See, we can go fast. So I'm not really sure how's the drive mode affecting the drive, but we are not getting stuck, and that's good. And we have the paved road. The 3008 was able to make it to the semi off-road, and the car still looks beautiful. It wasn't so muddy, so I was expecting it to be muddy, so it would be a lot more challenging, but it wasn't. If you want a more detailed video of the 3008, you can watch the video here. The first thing is frameless front grille. This is the signature of Peugeot. And then the fangs, that looks like a Viper. There are sensors all around. It doesn't have adaptive cruise control, but it does have park sensors. Yeah, it's like the Peugeot full LED fang design is something that not many can follow. That's their signature. Two-tone alloy wheels with a nice center cap with the Peugeot logo. I know they're gonna change the logo, so let's see what happens in the future. It has black plastic all around. It does look avant-garde with all the chrome accents. And at the back, it's power liftgate. It's easy to access the tailgate with powered, some fake exhaust, but it's not a problem for me. It still looks amazing. And this is 3D claw design. It is actually inside a clear housing. It just looks beautiful. So this is a very practical car that you might want to try to test drive. Test drive it first before you judge it. The price is 2,060,000. It is actually a nice car, very unique, very special. Just look at this lion in its natural habitat. You see how 3D the claws are? That's like a signature. And then there are two sensors on both sides and the fang. The fang still shines in this daytime. Really amazing. And there are cornering lights here. It somehow corners, so it kinda turns on the lights every time you turn. We are inside the 3008. We are in a very dark area because I want to show you guys the ambient lighting. The ambient lights are everywhere, even in these cup holders, which just makes it look so premium. Other than that, just look here where the panoramic sunroof is. And you do also get wireless charge port. So my only complaint was that this area is too narrow, so it kinda, you have the tendency to touch it like that. So you need to get used to that. But other than that, what a fantastic iCockpit. The iCockpit, like, you just want to keep pressing on these buttons because they just feel so solid and so premium. I want to say thank you again to Peugeot Philippines for letting me drive this during the Holy Week. It is really fuel efficient, super fuel efficient. Imagine I went to Laguna, the hot spring. Imagine I went to Laguna hot spring. I also brought it to Cavite NAIC. But still, we have 160 kilometer. We still have 160 kilometers of range, even with a single bar. And I'm sorry, but I didn't drive it though. Usually I really press it hard when I wanted to and just relax when I wanted to. I was mostly in sport mode because that's really where the 3008 shines. So just like what I said in the previous video, the full details, 3008 will put on a big smile on your face. It will not make you look bad. Instead, it will make you look good. And quirky features like this, like having this champagne cooler box, it just makes it more quirky. Like, I don't even drink champagne, but it will be cool to have even just bottle of water always there for you to drink. I really enjoy the huge sports pedals. They're huge and very easy to use. Now the other thing is, I wish the air blower for the lower portion, like going down here, like I wish that the vent will also like go towards the left side where your left foot will generally stay, because air vent is just directed towards the brake and the accelerator, so your left foot will not get so much air if you just rest it on the left side where you would normally rest it. Fantastic car, guys. Air vents, charge ports, beautiful seat material, lots of space in the legroom, and the provision of the cup holder and the armrest is spot on. Really, you will enjoy driving your Peugeot here in the Philippines. Thank you very much, Peugeot Philippines, for trusting me with your vehicle for the Holy Week. I really had a blast, including my wife and my mom. So Thank you again everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. I know.